Hello everybody and welcome to my world. Let's create something nice. Let's create something exciting. You see my computer here. I'm on Twitter. It's nice. It's cool. But let's create something a bit nicer. So we go to my notes and I wanted to build in public, as you can see, something a bit similar to some kind of search engine. I was looking for dev.ai. Dev.ai is quite cool for developers, for engineers. Before it was limited only for the Chinese market, and the person, I think he got his service because that founder is from China and the service got banned from China. So he expanded to the world outside of his country basically. And now he is making quite a lot of money actually from his little micro SaaS service. So it's really good. Like I'm really happy for him. It's very exciting. He's using PayPal, Stripe, as you can see, and very simple, very straightforward. I like it. It's a nice pricing table, as you can see. But for us, we will create something different. We will build something quite different, and I will use a service, a web service, mobile app. Yes, this one, Capacitor. So Capacitor, I will go back to here, and there I will quickly go create build micro app with maybe CapacitorJS. Let's see how it goes. I have no idea if it's good or not. So let's see. I will create a new tab here. CapacitorJS. Yeah, I like it. It's so funny because Ionic, it has been out there for 10 years, even more than 10 years, 15 years. I was using Meteor.js before, and I remember already back then, Ionic was already a thing, and now it's by Ionic. They probably don't use Ionic, but it's, I believe, by the team behind Ionic. Yeah, Ionic team, I can see that. We can see this. Oh, it's raining outside. It's winter here in Sydney, and yes, it's raining. So let's do it. Let's go to the website. I like to start repositories I'm using. It's a way for me to thank them. I suggest you to do the same. So install Capacitor. Really exciting. I have a colleague at work. He's using Fish instead of Bash. Fish. I'm using Z-Shell. Z-Shell. It's a bit slower than Fish. Fish is a little tiny bit slower than Bash, but I have never used Fish. I should probably. But in our case, we will use Z-Shell. I'm using Z-Shell with Power 10K. Oh my god, Power 10K, Power Level 10K, yes. We can close that one, that tab as well, and we can go starting our app. Oh, they don't use Yarn. I love Yarn, but that's okay. I will just go there, create a new tab. I was doing some contribution earlier. If we go to, there's a really nice repo, mini search. No, it's not mini search. Mini search is really old. Mini search engine. github.com. I forgot the name of the repository. AI mini search engine. Not that one. Not that one. What was it? And I want to. Oh no! I think the person forgot his name. He's Victor. Oh yeah, Victor. Victor. If we search for Victor, oh, why it doesn't show up? It's nice also to create a search engine, and this is what we are going to do with CapacitorJS. We are going to have a search engine in the mobile app. So exciting. You know, it's funny. I have been using React Native for so long, and only today, because I was using Electron for desktop, only today I noticed you can use React Native, your code base, everything, and compile it into a desktop. So you have, wow, I have so many tabs. Oh my God, Pierre. And so React Native, it's Microsoft actually that do that to desktop macOS. And it's so funny because it's to macOS, but the exception is from Microsoft. You see, Microsoft, but it's React Native to macOS. I was like, what? But yeah, it is true, it is real. And so if you have a React Native app and you want to create a desktop version for your macOS, don't worry, Microsoft helps for you to have it for macOS. React Native to desktop, and you also have another one for Windows, desktop app. So where was the page? Here, out of three, and you can see here, React Native to macOS. That's the one I was showing you by Microsoft. Yes. And the other one, React Native to Windows. And that one is also by Microsoft. They do both. And that's from the partner. I think it's because Microsoft partner with React Native, although it's Facebook, but you know, it doesn't. Yeah, why not? Here, let's see here, that repository, no, that's .NET. I don't really know and have much knowledge of .NET. The last time I have used it was like, wow, really, like 10 years ago, let's say. Yes, 2013. Yeah, a little bit more than 10 years. .NET, simple search engine. Oh yeah, it looks very simple. Yeah, I don't want to do Django for now. Here, search engine. Yeah, no. Oh, wait, that's interesting, actually. I could see he does some insert inside. What? Yeah, anyways. Here, what is it? Oh, no, Java. Yeah, okay, no, not interesting. Database, simplified implementation, search, algorithm used. Oh, okay. That's txt file, big database. Okay. So what does it do? Input. I was already looking to search engine a long time ago. I really wanted to create a search engine, and it was in 2016. And now I'm back. Sometimes, you know, our passion or what we really like, we are always going back. Or destinies, just making sure you go back to what you like, which is nice. Maybe I should do AI. Oh yeah, already wrote AI. Why is it? Why I cannot find it? The one I found before. Search engine, mini search, mini AI search. It's somewhere. Search. Or minimalist, I should say. I think that's why. That's a keyword I have used. Oh, yes. That's him. He did a post actually on LinkedIn. Let's have a look. Introducing. Yeah, he did a lot of promotion. October 2023, sorry. Weekend project release. That's nice. So he's using web LLM and transformers.js. Cool. Really interesting. See here. I'm thinking what Terraform. I've done some. That's when the infrastructure, but you have another one. It's not Terraform. Is I forgot. Anyway, doesn't really matter. Privacy. Yeah, it's really good. So we want to create something in between both projects, but for different niche. Okay, so let's start where we are at now. Let's go to local project, and here mobile apps. Perfect. And there I will go back to where I was. I will close that. Water. Oh yeah, that was some I was looking around there. Oh, so many tabs. And here it's not this one. Oh, that's transforms. That one looks nice too. TXT AI. Vector search. Yeah, that's for LLM. With SQL storage. Oh, that's interesting. And is it? Oh yeah, it looks quite. I like the way 5 million confirmed various cases. Oh yeah, it looks really nice. Get started in a couple of lines. And then you just mention. So from where that create built-in API. What API do they use? From where the data is coming from? Let's see. Here, they offer also the API. Search. Yeah, that one could be also an interesting one. Really interesting. 3 days ago, 2 weeks ago, the last update, 7.2, 7.1. I like it. Like, seriously, I think it's a good one. I will already write it down here. Oh, that was a link actually. To investigate and start to start from that could be a base. The license is really I think it's Apache 2, so it's the license gives you a lot of freedom of reusing the project if you wish, and like pivoting to where you want to go. AI Infinity. Not too sure what that one. Oh, it's not even. There's nothing actually. Like it's empty. It's just a template. Yeah. Okay, no, let's not go for that one. But this one, very interesting. Yeah, embedded database. In database. That one looks really good. Okay, so this one is definitely an option. We can go to. I need to stretch. I haven't really stretched myself today. So important to stretch. Okay, so that one we can definitely consider this. You see, it's a lot of research we can do. I knew it already for Capacitor, but now for like the backend or what kind of service Capacitor can code directly, that's different. Can we pip install? Yeah. It's only Python actually. And this one, how does it work? If we go there, browser. Yeah, browser compatible JS library. 2 years. Oh no, that's not good. Yeah, some libraries are quite old. Oh, TensorFlow JS. Yeah. I wanted to buy a book actually about TensorFlow before to move to New Zealand back in 2018. Finally, I never did. TensorFlow. Yeah. What can I say? Which one we can use? That's a model. Yeah, we have a lot of different models we could use. Like we also have the KNN for the classification and non-parametric supervised learning classifier. So it's of course it's a classifier. Like clustering model will be usually clustering technique is unsupervised, but here it's a supervised, and so it's a model you can fit with your data. Yes, really interesting. Let's continue where we were. I think that's a good way. CapacitorJS, we were there. Install capacitor. So we want to start here first. Introduction, installing. Let's run that command. And then to install CapacitorJS. And we want to create a small project, a package.json. With your existing application. So so I can use my existing project. So like we could use the one I was showing earlier, this one, and I can use that one with CapacitorJS, if I understand well. I'm so sorry, but apparently I'm a bit sleepy. It's a bit annoying. I will have a coffee after, so let's have a break. It's the end of the day. It's 7:55, just 5 to 8. So that's okay still. TMD, I don't know that repository. I mean that package npm TMD. Okay, it's a wheel path system, yeah. So what are we going to do? So I'm should separate directory for build web, such as the okay, and unindexed. Or add capacitor to your existing web project. This is what we are going to do. I have one existing one. I will just use this one for now, and I will modify it a little bit. Mini search. Mini search is cool because it does pretty much what I'm looking for. HTML. Yeah, it does use really good packages and web LLM. Web LLM, really nice to bring. Yeah, again, not that one hasn't been updated for 1 year, which is a bit concerning, but hopefully they will continue. We just do like here. And this one, the Rushet, hopefully 2 days, that's perfect. But it's funny, there they don't have any releases. Maybe they don't create release on GitHub, but they are on Hugging Face. Okay, so we know about this. And now if I want to use capacitor inside, I will just go here, mini local project. Perfect. And here the mini search. Oops. Mini with CD. Yes. And there I will just need to add capacitor in your web app. I will need to install this in your root app. Install capacitor npm. Yes, that's awesome. And then I will have to do npm install d for development, of course. So for dev dependency CLI, because we don't want to have that one in production. It's only for the CLI, only for development. And then initialize your capacitor config. I will create a new branch actually for capacitor. Git status. I did a change for upgrades. Oh yeah, I have added a upgrade option button, so I will not commit that one. That's only the changes of the packages, and here I will have to use that one too. I will add that one. Add upgrade option model. Perfect. And now I will create a new branch with a C flag to create it, and to be at CapacitorJS, just in case it doesn't work. Now I'm in CapacitorJS. Yes, I am at CapacitorJS, and now we can just from the packages in the staging area. Yes. So capacitor core and capacitor CLI. Awesome. And I will just add here the lock package. The lock packages we don't. And now git commit add CapacitorJS. Perfect. Alright, so my branch is created. I will also push git push origin main. I want to push the main branch too. Awesome. So both branches are updated, and now I pushed on my git remote. Now we can do, oh, it sounds so easy to use. Initialize the project. We see if I still have coffee. Let's see. Yeah, a little bit. Oops, something fell down. Oh, that's okay. Oh yeah, that's a little. My partner gave that to me. So sweet. So, what is the main name of your app? The main name of my app. Search AI succeed. Search succeed AI search. Perfect. Package ID. Come, oh yeah, for mobile. For me to be me.ph7.succeed AI search. Succeed AI search. Yeah. Enter. Create a free Ionic account. Oh, that's funny. They suggest you that. I will say no for now, but I like that feature. And now share anonymous data. No, not for now. And that's it. Oh wow, that's amazing. I love it. I love how they do it. Like it's really nice. Oh, I have a capacitor config JS .ts. Woohoo! I'm so excited. So nice. Capacitor, perfect. Implement Rocket. Awesome. We are getting there. Exciting day. Exciting day. I don't know if it's good, that one. Probably not. But I'm a bit hungry. I have Biscoff. Otherwise, yeah, not much food. I have bread. I think that bread is not good anymore, so maybe I will not eat that one. Okay, so here we are. Create your Android and iOS projects. Yes, we want to do that. You see here, it will go npm install capacitor Android, capacitor iOS. Wonderful. Let's do that. You see, I create always a lot of notes, and that's on a book I have. That book from one of the notes I was, and I was writing there. Hyperflowy. Yeah, hyperflowy is nice. If you don't know about hyper, not the terminal but hyperflowy. Yes, that one, hyperflowy. It's a fun one to schedule your tweet, or I should say your X post, because now it's X. Hyperflowy is not for you if you don't want better engagement, if you like missing opportunities. Yeah. Black Book Club. I wonder what's that. Interesting. I will show you the book I have in the meantime. The book I was writing the notes there. Let's see. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's okay. The book. This one, The Diary of a CEO. Really nice book. He does an excellent podcast as well. He's living in the UK. He's based in the UK. Amazing person, amazing guy, and really nice book. A lot of story, learning lessons. I suggest you actually to have a look and maybe to buy it. Or on Kindle, you know. I love ebooks too. Oh yeah, those are actually recent. Maybe I should actually subscribe to their service. Let's see the pricing. You know, it's a bit chilling too, like we are creating something with CapacitorJS, but I like also, for me, it's my Saturday. So it's like a chill day, and I like to discuss with you. I think it's nice. It's like a sharing lesson. And if you're interested, or if you live nearby Sydney, we can grab a cup of coffee, go into a coffee shop nearby, a cafe nearby, and that would be amazing. I live in Potts Point. There are so many cafes here, and it's always a pleasure to discuss about, about our passion, about IT, about programming, about tech, about startups, about a lot of things similar to that. I love startups. I love everything related to entrepreneurship, and building things and create value. For me, it drives me. And if you are watching this video, it's probably the same for you. So you see, $20 per month. Not too bad. Yeah. It does connect to, it's not only for Twitter. Yeah. $29. Yeah, no, it's fun. Now you also have to subscribe to your X premium account, and I think that's like $11 pricing, which is a bit pricey. Could be X premium. So how much it is? So in my case, with my account, I want to, no, is it a bug? Oh no, oh yeah, it is a bug. I cannot go there. If I want, here, we can maybe look what he said. I tried X Premium, Twitter Blue. Oh, why do people say Twitter Blue? Because X is like black? What does that mean? Oh, before what is Twitter Blue exactly? Oh, it's a badge, that's what I meant. The relaunch of Twitter subscriber service is pretty confusing. That was the name of the subscription. What? 2022. Oh, it was before X. So he meant X Premium is what replaces Twitter Blue. I see. Perfect. And so basic 3 months, $3. I think now it's a bit more expensive, at least in AUD. AUD, you see. Oh, price is different. How to get XP, perfect, premium. And here, the different things you can have. And so my personal experience, user experience was, I have no clue what to do now. Okay. I was familiar with some reasons why most people have been on social media platform, yeah, why to pay for it, but I hadn't seen much about benefits. Okay, so what's the benefits? An audience. Also got before X premium, yeah, the engagement, and now after what's happening after X premium? Even though my tweet got reduced to 94. All right, possibly yes. Seems like a great fit for anyone looking to go on engagement. Individual, yeah. Okay, cool, good to know. So yeah, but if I go to my Twitter account, to my X account, and I go here, premium, and you see $11 a month. Encrypted, yeah, I don't care about that. Bookmark, yeah, longer post. But now if I want to the badge, so optional ID verification, receive a visible ID verification label with a little badge on it. You have to be premium. And that will make you a premium user. Apple, hey European, we care about your privacy. Also Apple here. That's funny. I like those, like a lot of posts like this. Improve the conversation rate. It's quite funny. Speed up. He's premium as well, so we can see the people being premium. Is it good or bad? Good morning, ex-fam. His family ex. This is a view from my office. Oh, he's working there today. Yeah, cool. Yeah, it's quite charming. Oh yeah, it's his house, I believe. From the frame. Okay. Are you working or recharging? Built in public. Yeah, that's nice. So 2 hours ago. I will say recharging. Recharging. You see? But I'm still not sure. Also by dogs. So yeah, that's funny. Can I? Yeah, perfect. Quickly, oh no, I don't want to remove that. All right, that's just I hope I don't know if it works actually to do this kind of social engagement. I wonder. And yeah, it takes quite a long time to do this. Some people told me, especially if you are freelance, doing this kind of engagement, you will create a network on X and people will find you easier. I still haven't found it, but maybe it is true. Maybe not. Yeah. Yeah, not sure. Park. Yeah, like this. Park, public park. After, let's I have a doubt now. Yeah, PACK, because parking. Yeah, PACK, Park Sydney. You have a lot of really beautiful parks in Sydney. When I was in London, I used to go to Holland Park, London. Really beautiful, double L. Yes, of course. Really nice one, Holland Park. Highly suggested if you are going nearby there. Really, really good. Yes, so okay. Does it work? I will let you know. Anyways, that's a different story. So now let's continue our app. You see, it's so easy to be on focus. So easy. You grab a cup of coffee and then you are on X. You are looking at something else and then you are just lost. Okay, so here we have added the capacitor Android, capacitor iOS, which is amazing. And now we can go ahead. Once the platform have been added to your package.json, which is our case for us, we can even have a look. You see, they are there. Yes. And then you can run the following commands. Woohoo, really exciting. That's for Android. Oh, I don't have, yeah, I have to install Android Studio. Probably. And then for iOS, perfect. Sync your web code to your native project. Oh, so it will take the files. Interesting. Oh, I have an error now. Could not find. Oh, yes, I should create, like, I will create a dist. Please create it. Earlier, they were saying that I could create either a dist. Yeah, right. Just dist or www. Yeah. Maybe I will create a www just to. Yeah, that's okay. Maybe this is less confusing, but with TypeScript, I will just have a look. My folder. No, yeah. Let's do this. And now let's do it again. Your index file must have a head. Oh yeah, so I have to create file root. Just have a look. Oh yeah, I don't have. So separate this file as the root of your web assets directory. So inside of this, then maybe I will move. I will move to www cd, and here I will just do index.html. Perfect. And there, how it looks like. Let's have a look. You can just see how it will, what it should contain. Maybe I should just ask. Probably I will ask Copilot create a index.html for and yes, so that's a one. Oh, okay, cool. Because here there was no example. That's a one. Oh yeah, I like how he helped the. Oh no, that's just a person asking help. Perfect. So I will use that one. Yeah, your content here, app.js. Let's see how it goes. So now we can go back there and then again do, oops, sorry, my bad. We can do npx cap sync. We have another error because I couldn't find this. So if we want to use www, we have, can change the capacitor in capacitor. Oh yeah, let's go there. As mentioned there, we want to use www, perfect. And so now, let's see, oh, something that's better, at least. Bit per bit, we are getting there, that's exciting. Should we commit those folders or not? I think so, right? CapacitorJS commit folders. Or maybe I can even ask Copilot. Should I commit the folders like www, Android, and the other one was, we had Android, we had iOS. Let's see. And here, yeah, it's pretty much the same question. So we have done this, we have our index.html, that's so good. We have this is done. So they said, I think I should add something else. Index for root of your web assets. If you do not have a head in your plugin, will not work. Let's just make sure we have, I think it does. Oh, that's the other one. It's here. Yes, it does. Beautiful. And yes, that one, we have done this, we have done this. We copy your built web application by default www to your native project and install the native. Nice. That's really nice. Really good. I love Capacitor. And now we can just open the iOS, for instance. I will already commit the files I have. I just need to make sure if I can commit everything or not. You are supposed to commit iOS and Android folders. They contain their own, oh, do they? Oh, that's good if they do. Let's have a look just to be sure. So iOS. That was Android. Oh, I don't see actually if they do. Oh yeah, git ignore. Nice. Oh yeah, I should do a LSA. So it does have a git ignore. Amazing. That's so good. We can just commit this. I will commit everything then, and I will say, and also let's have a look in www, what we have, only the index, that's fine then, and add CapacitorJS folders to setup project. Wonderful. Now, what I'm going to do here. Just thinking. Yes, I think I will go further. Yeah, I can close that one. But I suggest you actually, if you like all of those ML things, to have a look to your TensorFlow. Oh yeah, that's the app. There were no webcam found yet. Alright, so yeah, here we were. So we know at least we can commit everything. So that's fine. Ionic comes already with, yeah, amazing. That's good. File switch states. With this default file, you will, for example, not commit folders such as, yeah, node modules, very important. An example, oh yeah, here gives an example, beautiful, so we know. We can close this, and now we can do npx cap open iOS. Amazing. And you see, I'm sure Copilot said the same. When you add contains a lot of auto-generate it. Oh yeah, no, it's not, Copilot there is not really that good, but that's fine. So now we are opening iOS, and we can also open this npx run iOS. We can have a look. 3 seconds it took. We have an issue. We just an empty array with no initial value. Why? Oh, pod install. Oh no, I did the pod install. Native one, so you can't. Oh, I see. It did a lot of changes. App ID. Oh, that's the same. So yeah, sounds like it did some. I'm not sure. Indentation? Is it like indentation? Not too sure. Anyway, not too sure. Then if it doesn't open Xcode, I have Xcode anyway, so it should open. Oh, is it that one? Oh, but that one is empty. Yeah. Maybe I should close it. Oh yeah, it's that one. But that one is just empty. Ouch. What are we going to do? It's probably because I have another issue. I believe we missed. Did we miss something? Or is it my index.html? But I should still have files in Xcode. Here I just have nothing. Just nothing. Which is not really good. I will search. Check that. Not got but git. Oh, why it doesn't? Oh, here. Where we place? That's why. Do that way. Then git status, yes, and then I want to add Android. Oh yeah, that's always annoying when you have this. When you go to Windows, you have that quite a lot, and we can just disable core auto control false, and that will add it in my config, my git config. So now, yes, now it does work. I need to have a space. Git add capacitor folders. Oh, that's a lot. But luckily it was all of them were okay to be added. We didn't have to add anything on git ignore. But now we have just an empty project, so empty Xcode. What the hell? Like, why is empty? Shouldn't be. Yeah. npx cap copy. I need to investigate why. Yeah, and I need to look more for capacitor. I will have a look, hopefully, and I will get back to you. I will have a little break now. I will go to the hoodies, so to the supermarket, to eat something. My coffee is just empty. And I will see you in either another video, a part 2 or day 2, or I will see you later today. Bye.